Priyanka from Shubhanjali, and today we are going to talk about the kind of customized bracelets that we have created specific to different problems that we face in our regular days. So the first bracelet today that I'm going to talk about is the wealth bracelet. The wealth bracelet looks like this, and we have used crystals like green aventurine, pyrite, tiger's eye, and citrine. I'll be explaining the benefit of each of the crystal. If you see citrine, citrine is a stone which helps you in removing all the blockages towards the path of success and growth and prosperity. So citrine is used for that. The next stone we have used is pyrite. Pyrite is a stone known for abundance and prosperity again. So we have used it in terms of the wealth that pyrite helps you in accumulating. Also we have used tiger's eye. Tiger's eye is a stone which helps you in gaining confidence and courage. So whenever you are on the path towards attaining wealth, a lot of times we feel very demotivated and we lack confidence. So to boost your confidence and bring you back, we have tiger's eye. And the fourth crystal we have used is green aventurine. Green aventurine, because of its green color, is excellent for abundance and wealth. It is also a very good stone for bringing opportunities. It is a stone known for stone of opportunities, and it helps you in bringing good luck. So when you have good luck and other stones which helps you in maintaining confidence, boosting your creativity, and also for maintaining wealth, this is the combination that we have created of wealth bracelet. The second bracelet that today we are going to talk about is known as the pregnancy bracelet. In the pregnancy bracelet, we have used crystals like rose quartz, moonstone, and carnelian. This is a combination of all these three crystals, and it looks really very pretty when you wear it. This bracelet is not only for those people who are not able to conceive, but it is also for those if you are already pregnant. This is a crystal which helps you in smooth delivery, maintaining a very good mind state during your pregnancy. There are a lot of mood swings which women face during the pregnancy phase. This bracelet is excellent in keeping you calm and having a very easy pregnancy time. I'll explain the different crystals and why we have used these crystal combinations. Rose quartz, it's known as a stone of love, and during pregnancy we need a lot of self-love. Apart from that, if you are planning to conceive, love is most important during that time. So after a lot of failures, there are a lot of times when we're not able to reach that stage of getting pregnant. So we lose self-confidence and our self-love during that time. So for that, rose quartz is a stone. Rose quartz is also a stone for joy and happiness. So you need to be happy to bring a new life into this world. That is the reason we have used rose quartz. The second stone that we have used is moonstone. Moonstone is a stone which is excellent for any women related, gynec related issues. If you are having any kind of hormonal problems, then moonstone is a very good stone. Also, moonstone enhances the fertility in your body. Moonstone is also a stone, it's basically a feminine stone. It boosts your feminine energy in you. That is the reason moonstone is excellent for those women who are facing PCOS related problems as well. The third crystal that we have used is carnelian. Carnelian is a very strong motivation stone and a great vitality stone. It brings great strength to you, brings courage and motivation for you to conceive or for your time during your pregnancy as well. So this is the way we have created a bracelet combination for pregnancy. These are the crystals which are excellent for any problem related to pregnancy or before if you want to conceive. Even then this bracelet is excellent. The third bracelet that we are going to talk about today is the education bracelet. For all those children who face a lot of issues related to concentration, there are problems which you face during your exams, you get too tensed and you're too stressed out, you have problems in memorizing. We have created a bracelet with different combinations of crystals which can help you in taking the right decision during your exams as well. Okay, so let's start. This is the education bracelet. I will be telling you which crystals we have used in this. The first one is amethyst. Amethyst helps you in clearing your doubts and confusions, and it is an excellent stone for relieving your stress and tensions during the exam time or during your studies time. The next crystal that we've used is fluorite. Fluorite comes in a different colors. That is why it is called as a multi-fluorite. Fluorite comes in green, purple and yellow colors. It is a combination of all these three colors. We have used the green fluorite and the purple fluorite in this. Green fluorite is an excellent stone for concentration. All those who are facing issues related to concentration, you can have fluorite by your side and it will help you enhance your concentration power. The next crystal which we've used is chrysocolla. Chrysocolla is a stone which also helps you in memorizing. For all those who are facing related, you just don't remember anything, or you just keep forgetting every time because of stress. So chrysocolla is a stone that helps you in memorizing. Next is clear quartz. Clear quartz is a very peaceful stone. It is an excellent stone for mental clarity, peace of mind and thoughts. It is also a very good stone for meditation, and it also energizes you. It will help you bounce back in your energy when you feel really low. The next crystal we have used is lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli is a stone which will help you in breaking through distractions. There are a lot of times when we are studying and you get really distracted. So lapis lazuli brings you back to that. Also, lapis lazuli is an excellent stone for your throat chakra and for intuition. So when you use lapis lazuli, if you have any kind of communication related, supposing if you have vivas or your oral exams, that time lapis lazuli is a very good stone which will help you in speaking what you must and what you know in the correct way. The next crystal that we have used is citrine. Citrine is a stone which is a very good success stone. So it will help you pick the right decision during your tests and exam and give you the right kind of success that you need during your studies time. So this is the education bracelet that we have. Thank you for listening to us today, and do like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shubhanjali Store. Link is given below.